Good morning, second grade math friends. Today is Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. I hope you are having a great start to your morning. Today in math, we will be practicing using Math Mountains to find equations and then reading and solving story problems like we did yesterday. When you are doing your story problems, make sure you are showing your work. Remember, good mathematicians always show their work. If you do not already have workbook pages 237 and 238 out, I want you to go ahead and grab those out with a pencil. I'm going to switch over to mine as well. So we're going to do a couple together so you will know how to do it and how to show your work. So here is our Math Mountain. We know the total is always at the top and our addends are at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my subtraction and my plus because we know there are 8 different ways or 8 different equations we can show off of this one Math Mountain. They have the first one done for us already. They did 59 plus 24 equals 83. 59 plus 24 equals 83. And then they just flipped it. I know it's been probably a month or so since we have done these, and we did them with the basic numbers. So like 5 plus 6 are addends and 11 at the top, and now we're getting into larger numbers. So they switched it. They did 83 equals, and then remember we jump all the way back to the beginning, 59 plus 24. Okay, it's important we jump all the way back to the beginning, especially because when we get to those subtraction problems, if you don't do that, then they will not be correct. So we have 59 plus 24 equals 83. Now we're going to go the other way. 24 plus 59 equals 83. So write 24 plus 59 equals 83. Okay, then I'm going to flip it. I'm going to have 83 start with my total equals, and then I'm going to go all the way back to the beginning. 24 plus 59. Okay, so now I have my 2 addition equations. Now I need to do my subtraction. So I'm going to start at the top. 83 minus 59 equals 24. I just go around in the circle. So let's write it. We're going to start with our total. 83 minus 59 equals 24. I have those 3 numbers. If I'm not using those 3 numbers, I know it's wrong, okay? Because those are the 3 numbers we are working with. Then I need to flip it, and this is where it's really important that we do our end, 24 equals, and then we jump all the way back to the beginning, 83 minus 59. Because if I did 24 and then I just went backwards, equals 59 minus 83. If you have 59, you can't take away 83. We would drop into negative numbers. So it's really important. We jump all the way back to the beginning. Okay, so for that subtraction, we went this way, 83 minus 59. Now we're going to go the other way. 83 minus 24 equals 59. So 83 minus 24 equals 59. Then write it backwards. 59 equals, jump back to the beginning, 83 minus 24. Okay, then you are going to go ahead and solve the next one on your own, and then I want you to go ahead and take a picture and upload it to Seesaw. Having your 4 different, or it's really 8 different equations, and then you will have story problems on the next page. It says there are 7 children at the lunch table. Some more children sit down. Then there are 11 total children at the table. How many children sit down? So if I start with my Math Mountain, we know that there were 7 children to start with, And then some more sat down, but we don't know how many more. So that's our unknown. Then there were a total of 11 children at the table. So I can add in my minus signs and my plus. And I know I can either do an addition to solve. 7 plus what equals 11? Or I can subtract. 11 minus 7 equals what? I'm going to do 11 minus 7 equals what? And I'm going to pound count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I get 4. So how many children sit down? 4 children. Children. Okay, make sure you have your label there. Your answer with your label. And then you can go ahead and solve number 4, number 5, and then it says check understanding. Draw and complete a math mountain with 100 at the top and 45 at the bottom. So you are going to draw your math mountain. They want 100 at the top, so that's your total. You have a total of 100 and 45 at the bottom. So that means they're unknown. If I add in my minus signs and my plus sign, I can do an addition to solve. I could do 45 plus what equals 100. Or I could do 100 minus 45, making sure I have all those numbers lined up correctly, my tens and ones, to solve. If I wanted to do my addend, remember we go 45, so I would write 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Now I'm at my next 10, so now I can count up to 100 with 10 sticks. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So then I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So I can write that down. And then I can check my work doing it the subtraction way, or if I did it the subtraction way first, I can check my work with addition. All right, good luck. When you are finished, take a picture and send it to me via Seesaw.